Alright, let's do a couple problems here. First one is 5. Oh gosh. Whoop. Okay. Small pen. Let's see how this works. 5.3, number 33. Gave us two functions. F of x is x cubed minus 8, and g of x is cube root x plus 8. Directions said to show or verify that the functions g and f are inverses by showing that f of g of x is x and g of f of x is x. I'm going to do one of them, not both of them, because if I do one of them, you should see how it applies to the other one. If you remember, it said one of the things that we kind of figured out about inverse functions, and this went with the tunnel analogy that we talked about, f of g of x was x equal to x. That's because if you think of the tunnel and f being going this way, if I input x, it takes us this way, and then f inverse takes us backwards. So no matter what we get out on this side, when I do f of g of x, the output from 1 should take me back to the original input. So since this is the input, this becomes the output if f and g are inverses. Okay, let me go down a little bit. So let me go back to red. What I'm going to do is plug one of them in for the other. So f of g of x means that I'm going to plug g of x in for f of x. So this value right here, which you can kind of see, becomes the x value right here. Notice the cube, the x is cubed there. So when I plug this in, that whole thing's going to get cubed. So f, go back to red. Oops. Erase red. Alright, so f of g of x is equal to, plug in the cubed root piece for the cube, for x there. So I get cubed root x plus 8. And now I'm plugging into f. So this is the first operation of f, which is to cube. And then I've got a minus 8. Go down. Do all the work here. So what you should notice is that this cancels with the cube root, which gives me x plus 8. That comes from this. Now I need to bring this down, which is going to be a minus 8. Notice they cancel out, and just give me x, because these guys cancel out. So f of g of x is x. Go back up here, with the tunnel thing, I put x in. I don't really care what I get. What I get out when I do the inverse of it is x. So by showing algebraically that these guys cancel out and give me x, I know that they are inverses. Thank you. Boom.